Hello, mathematicians. Today we are talking about multiplying fractions again. I know you guys are thinking, well, we already talked about multiplying fractions. I want to go over another quick strategy that you can use. Draw your pictures. Today we're going to be using models. It's so important to write out and draw out so we can see what we're doing, especially when we're working with fractions. It can be very helpful. So we're going to take a closer look at this problem. Okay. So we're starting with 3 times 1/2. And we talked about this before. What does this mean? Well, it really means 1/2 3 times. So let's draw a model of it. So here we have 1/2, right? We have 1/2 shaded. But up here it says 3 times 1/2. So we know we're going to need 3 1/2s, right? So what is 3 times 1/2? How many halves do we have here? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 halves. Okay? 3 halves. But wait a minute. Let's look at this fraction here. 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is an improper fraction, so we need to change that. And we know that 2 can go into 3 one times, and there is 1/2 left over. Let's do one more. What if we did 3 times 1/4? Okay, so our fraction here tells us what our model needs to look like, right? So our circle or our box, whatever we're going to do, we know we're going to break it into 4 pieces. So let's do circles. Wait a second. Why did I do 3 circles here? That's right, because we're doing 3 times 1/4. And it's 1/4, so I'm only going to shade in 1 out of the 4 pieces. Now let's count up and see how many fourths we have. 1, 2, 3. 3/4. 3 times 1/4 is 3/4. See? Drawing models is easy and a great way to see how this breaks down. Thanks for watching, mathematicians, and please draw those models.